Okay, Colby Valve Stems made in US install. They say 5 minutes. So we're gonna time this. I've already installed 2 of them, but I'm gonna time this just for kicks and see what we get. Okay, here we go. I've already taken and cleaned off the valve stem. Now I gotta pull the valve core out, let all the air out. There we go. See how long that goes. So this is how the packaging looks right now. Slick little package, got little instructions in here, which I haven't pulled out to read, but let's see. Oh no, this is instruction, this is warning. Limited warranty. Instructions are on the back. Installs in 5 minutes or less. Alright, so these tires were at 50 psi. I pulled the valve core out. Now I'm going to tear the valve core or pull the valve core. We're actually at a minute already. Some of these come out different ways. This breaks off. This actually pulled out. So we'll see what this one does for us. I really didn't want to let my tire go all the way flat to the ground. I jacked up the other one, but I thought I'd let this go all the way down just to see what the difference is for kicks. All right, we're at 1:15 so far. We can go ahead and start working on this, getting this out. Yeah, this one's already like, wow. This one's pretty flexible, so. All right, let's see what we get here. I guess I could use some vice grips, but this one's the harder of the 3 so far, so yeah, interesting. I'm also jacking up my rim a little bit on this one by yanking this and prying it on there, so let me put a rag on there. Alright, so this one tore apart. So far we got not the best luck in the world. Alright, so now we gotta pop this out. We're at 2 minutes and 27 seconds. Now I'm gonna spray this again. I have this little scribe too that I use to get in the little nooks and crannies. Then I use a toothbrush. Okay. Sorry if the video is a little funky, but that's just the way it is, right? Real world. Okay, here we go. We got it. I'm gonna clean this off. Yep. All right, that's cleaned real nicely. This is all the way up. I also put a drop of oil. You can use any kind of oil. Don't use WD-40. I mean, you could, I guess, but I like to use actual oil because it's a lubricant. So I'm using this 3-in-1 oil. The reason I do this is when I tighten this down, this nut actually slides across these threads instead of binding, and then it also slides across this spacer. So I don't use a ratchet. I use like a screwdriver handle, okay? That way I don't over tighten this. So you press it in there, and then you go ahead and tighten it down. I tighten it by hand this way all the way, nice and snug. Not tight, just snug. And it almost starts to spin when it gets nice and snug, so it's a pretty slick system. I really like it. I like that this is made in the US. It looks like it's going to be long lasting because it is brass, so it's not going to rust. It'll corrode a little bit, but all right, that's installed. Now let's go ahead and air up a bit. We're at 4 minutes 23 seconds. So in a sense, I guess it's definitely installed in less than 5 minutes. It says 5 minutes or less. So I'm airing these up to 20 psi, and then I'm backing up to my neighbor that builds Baja race trucks, and he's got a big ass compressor that'll inflate all my tires to 50 pounds in a matter of a few minutes. So here we go. We're almost at 20 psi. I can tell it's gonna be there in a minute. All right, we're at 4:58. We're at 5 minutes right now. So yeah, this is about 5 minutes. This is awesome. 15 psi. So yeah, it installs. I mean, it's a little bit longer to inflate your tires, but you know, it's fair to say that you can install this in less than 5 minutes. So that's it. We're set. We're at 5:25. Pretty slick, right? See that? 5:26. All right, Colby Valve Stem, made in the USA, bitchin'.